Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7989. So this build was compiled on, if it will load here. Anyways, what I was saying is this build was compiled on April 21st, 2011, and the time bomb is March 15th, 2012. And once again, like the other builds, it will have a massive issue. So we're going to do some stuff to get this to work. So basically, we're going to go this. We're going to not do that. We're going to do workstation like 6 or 7, you know? Okay. 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 Okay, once again. Alright, and we're going to call this Windows 8 build 7989 because that's what build this is. And we're gonna give it 2 CPU cores because, well, we gotta give it 2 CPU cores. So yeah, then we're going to give it 4 gigs of RAM. Actually, we'll give it 8 gigs of RAM because why not? All right, we're going to not have a network adapter because it will break probably. And well, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna continue and continue and continue and continue, and this is getting boring. Continue and cut this entire part of the video because Kidu's our editor. Can you whatever? All right, so now we gotta oh my, it's lagging so bad. Anyways, we are going to be putting in our ISO, and yes, our ISO. So we're going to go here and we're going to change this to 7989 because that's the build that we are doing. So we're going to go to close, finish, and we're going to finish up, and it's going to be normal, very normal. And we're going to first boot up the virtual machine. So let's boot up our virtual machine because, well, that seems like a really good thing to do. And we're going to boot up our virtual machine. If it turns on, that is. Come on, come on, come on. I'm trying to get into the BIOS here. I have a video to make. Alright, we're gonna go into free stretch mode, the best mode. And, well, what are we going to do, you might ask? Well, we're gonna wait for the BIOS to load. That's what we're going to do. Oh my gosh, it is going so slow. Like, genuinely, I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, come on, there. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Was it 64-bit? Is this 64-bit? I don't know. I just hope it is. Oh, did the 1 not register? Oh, it didn't register. Alright. Exit saving changes, yes. I clicked yes. I'll do it third time. Third time the charm. Okay, so this is taking absolutely forever. So I'll be back once it is at the setup, actually, because it is not at the setup currently. So yeah. Okay, so it was on the 32-bit, so I changed it to 64-bit. I can't believe we've done that 2 times in a row. We did that in the last build, and then in this build. You have to be kidding me, man. Like, come on. Okay, now we should be booting. Maybe. I don't know. No, but like, seriously, we should probably be booting up by now. And, well, yeah. Okay, so what on earth is happening? Anyways, okay, so we have to use the non-ultimate build. What on earth is happening? This entire thing is just broken, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Wait, what on earth? Why do we have the old boot screen? What? What? Why do we have the old boot screen? Beta Wiki here shows the new boot screen. So it should have the new boot screen. I'm not sure this is the correct build. I'll be back.